Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we have another project to show you, but this time this one is a simple one. We have to change the lock set of the door is broken. As you can see here, the handle or the knobs is turning in cycle, so the system is broken. We have to change that with a new one. If you are new to our channel, we provide property maintenance and gardening services contents. So you can support the channel by subscribing, and you can also hit the notification button so you won't miss any of our new videos. Alternatively, you can also check the content of our channel. You can see the project that we have there and watch the video that may interest you. So, but for today, we have to change this lock set. With no further ado, let's get started. So this is the new lock. We need to change because this is broken. You have to replace with this one, the new one. So guys, this project is now completed. I hope you enjoy watching it. As I mentioned in the introduction of this video, it was a simple one. It's a simple project we did for the client, changing the lock set of the door that was broken. So I hope you enjoy watching the project. And as I also mentioned, remember to subscribe if you haven't done so yet. You can support the channel that way. You can also hit the notification button so you won't miss any of our new video. Alternatively, you can also check the content of our channel, and you can watch the video that may interest you. You can also share the video with those who are interested with property maintenance and gardening services content. So thanks again for watching the video, and see you for the next project. Thanks. Bye.